Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Retro Pop Planet. So back in the early part of 2021, I did a video which actually got a really great number of views and overwhelming response. In that video, I take a pair of Red Wing boots that I've had for 8 years and I show you how to clean them up and to waterproof them. Now, one of the things that I noticed when I was filming the video is in what disrepair the soles of the boots actually were. They weren't work boots for me, but they were heavy use boots, and I wear them a lot in the wintertime for a variety of different things, and the soles had really seen better days. Now, I did mention in the video that I had done a little bit of research on having the boots resoled. I didn't really know what the process was, but back in the early part of September, we had a few one-off kind of colder days, and I really started thinking about, it might be time to actually get these boots resoled. So I made a quick trip to the local Red Wing boot store. It's a different store than what I actually purchased the boots at. And basically they informed me to just bring in my pair of boots, and then what they do is you pay for the entire service in advance, and then they ship it to the Red Wing factory. And then within about 8 weeks, they would give you a call and they would ship the boots back to the store. So I thought, hey, that's a good idea. I could probably get the boots back in time for at least late fall, if not early winter. And spoiler alert, the boots are back in. Now, this isn't gonna be one of those videos where I do like a fun factory tour. So I just want to let you know that I've had several pairs of shoes resold in the course of my life. Whether I was taking them to places in the mall or, local cobblers that I had found on the internet, they just never really lived up to my expectations, especially considering some cobblers can charge you up to $80 to $100 for in-store service, and you're never really quite sure if they're actually doing them in the store or if they're shipping them out somewhere. The boots took about 5 weeks. They are back, and I can't wait to show you them, because if you're on the fence about getting a pair of boots resold professionally, you're gonna think twice about that. So let's check out those boots. So the first thing you will notice is the resoling is just beautiful. I mean, they basically are redoing your shoe from scratch. They're completely stripping off the bottom half of your shoe and restitching it and re-gluing it and everything else that they do at the factory. The other thing that's awesome, it looks like they also did a reconditioning process, because these boots are actually darker than when I took them in. If you remember my last video, I used mink oil, which didn't really change the color of the boots. These boots look darker, but they still have that same awesome, like, 8-year-old patina. The other thing they did, which was just a nice gesture, is they replaced both sets of laces. So there you go, guys. Just a quick update video. I wanted to show you that yes, I did do it, and thank you for all the support on the last video. In case you missed that video where I go through the process of reconditioning and re-waterproofing boots, I'm gonna leave a link at the end. In the meantime, if this is your first time here, welcome. Please consider subscribing if you like what I have to offer. Leave me a comment. A lot of your comments were great, and give it a like. Likes always help for the weird YouTube algorithms. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.